July 24, 6:30 in the morning. So the light bulb headlight, the right side, is not working. I replaced the headlights way back in April of 2022. So basically these headlights lasted 2 years, and I didn't expect them to last 10 years or more. And I'm just gonna check uh, what's going on with the headlight. Regardless, I ordered a couple of replacement from Lazada, and we'll do a follow-up video on that later. So I'm just gonna do a quick check on this malfunctioning headlight. Oh yeah, I checked the high beam, so the high beam works. Nelia has been complaining that it seems to be dark when driving at night in the evening, and I noticed it several days ago and I didn't pay attention. Now I did this morning. So how this thing works is that portion where there's a covering on it, that's the low beam, and it copies the halogen lamp. That's where it's supposed to be, both sides. If they don't have this covering, because it's COB, they only want to allow the designer of this lamp, because you can't control half of the LED, then they cover half. So that's why it's like this, both sides. So the one that are exposed, the face that are exposed, both sides, is the low beam. If they remove that, then it's really going to be really bright. So that's why it's covered like that. For high beam, the other half is turned on, and so the full intensity of this would brighten up the front of the vehicle. So that's why it's designed like this. So they were copying a halogen, and they cover half of the LED so that it emulates the halogen. So that's pretty much how it works. So basically the intensity is not there, only half is working. So these LED are called COB, chip on board, COB, and they do get hot, and when they're hot, they will have what you call thermal failure, thermal runaway. It's no longer working. Probably the driver of the LED is faulty, so they do get hot. Thermal heat or heat will do damage to the component. So now let me see if I turn the high beam on. So this is the high beam. Both sides are active. So it's blinding bright on high beam. So that's how it is with these type of LED headlights. They don't last too long. Their short life. Let me see, MB mean time between failure, and mean life between failure. It's been so long that I use this kind of words, acronyms. Whatever. It's just to say that they don't last long. Thanks for watching.